Managing employees in Housecall Pro can streamline your operations, giving you a full range of tools to track performance, manage schedules, and ensure smooth communication within your team. Whether you're a service business owner or just getting started with Housecall Pro, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to optimize your employee management process using this platform. First, let's start with adding employees. To manage employees, you'll need to head over to the Team section in your Housecall Pro dashboard. From there, you can click on Add Team Member and enter their details, like their name, role, contact info, and any specific work hours. This is where you create roles for everyone, from technicians to admins. Make sure to assign them permissions based on their role in your business so they have access to the right features in Housecall Pro. Now, the real power of Housecall Pro lies in how you can track and manage those employees day to day. Let's dive into the schedule feature. You can assign jobs to employees directly from the schedule view, and this is where Housecall Pro really shines. Not only can you see what jobs your employees are assigned to, but you can also track job status, customer notes, and specific job details, all in real time. This means you're not only staying on top of things, but your employees are too. You can also manage employee availability. Let's say an employee is off for the day or has specific times when they're available. Just go to their profile and adjust their work schedule accordingly. It's seamless and ensures you don't double book or overwork anyone. Communication is another area where Housecall Pro excels. Through the app, employees can receive job updates, customer information, and directions straight to their phones. This eliminates the need for unnecessary phone calls or messages, allowing your team to focus on what's important, serving customers. Plus, if there are any changes to a job, you can instantly notify everyone in your team, keeping everyone on the same page. Tracking employee performance is also incredibly simple. Housecall Pro gives you access to reports that let you track everything from job completion times to customer feedback. These insights can help you improve your team's efficiency, reward top performers, or offer training to those who may need it. You can even track sales and revenue generated by each employee, so you get a full picture of their productivity. In terms of payroll, Housecall Pro offers integrations with accounting software, making it easy to pay employees on time. You can also set up automatic invoicing, ensuring that your team gets paid promptly and without hassle. If you're concerned about employee accountability, Housecall Pro allows you to set up geofencing. This means you'll be able to monitor when your employees arrive and leave job sites. It's a great way to keep track of efficiency and ensure that your team is following the schedule. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Housecall Pro for free using the exclusive link in the description below. This free trial will give you full access to these employee management features and more, so you can see how it works for your team without any commitment. To recap, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one solution for managing employees, from assigning jobs and tracking schedules to streamlining communication and measuring performance. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your employee management, Housecall Pro is a powerful tool that can help you do it all. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial.